Dedication, that's what I'm talking about. It is a hot one here in Southern Florida today, but I'm still here to talk to you about this AstroAI supercharger. So cool, so many things I want to talk to you about. Let's talk about the basics first, okay? This is up to 4,000 amps in one shot. It is 48,000 milliamp hour battery overall. It comes with a wall charger so you can fast charge it. It will hold that charge for a very long time. And with that charge, they say you could start a 10-liter gas engine and an 8-liter diesel. Now, if you know anything about cars, starting a diesel is much harder than starting a regular car. So if you could jumpstart an 8-liter diesel, you got some serious stuff going on there. That is a lot of power. Let me show you a little bit how it works in terms of those things. Oh, another thing I wanted to show you real quick. Look at the nice finish they put on it, right? It's got the rubber bumpers on the corners, the really nice industrial-ish kind of plastic on the bottom and on the top, so it's going to be super durable. It is waterproof and dust proof. Has a flashlight on the front. I find this to be like the most worthless thing on these things, but it's nice that it's there. You can plug in both USB-A, USB-C, and it even has an adapter, so you could plug this in and use it like as if it was a car lighter if you needed a little extra power for the kids in the back of the car who are annoying you. Let's talk about the important part if you wanted to jump it. So you simply open this up here, plug in this big, nice, beefy jumper with nice long cables. It is completely uniquely sized, so you can't plug it in wrong. And here you go, you are ready to go. You simply turn it on, connect it to your battery, flip the switch, and it will start pretty much anything short of the space shuttle. In the end, this thing is absolutely a workhorse, high quality, durable. It's gonna last you a long time. I've had a lot of experience with AstroAI. I should tell you, they did provide this to me to do this review, but they never give me instructions. They're like, whoa, we got something cool. Check it out, tell the people if you like it. That's what I'm doing. I'm telling you I like it right now. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you want the security of knowing you're getting in your RV, you're going somewhere, you put this in here. If you have a power problem, you just pull it out. It's not taking up a lot of space. You're good to go. You don't have to worry. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.